So this is my Elite turbomuin that had the bearings that were knackered. Elite have sent me a new replacement one, which where have I put it? Put it down somewhere. Oh well. Anyway, I've got it with me. Look, it's on the floor there, right in front. There's the replacement one there with the new bearings. So I've just taken this cover off. I've taken the cog off, and there's these screws. So how many is there? 2, 4, 6, 7 Phillips screws all the way round, and then that cover comes off. Then there's 2 screws, 2 Phillips screws on there. That's underneath there. And then I'm just undoing the adjustment pulley. You've got to undo that one first, which is like the locking nut for the adjustment, and that one's the adjustment that adjusts the pulley up and down to tighten the belt. And then this cover has come off, and that's all these screws, Phillips head screws. So 2, 4, 6, 8. So loosen them all equally, and then you get to this stage, and now this is a 22mm nut that I've got to undo, and that's on the other end of the shaft there. So this is the replacement shaft. So this is in situ, and as you can see, so the it's tightened up on there, and that's the shaft. So that's where I'm at the moment. So I'll let you know how I go. I'll do it in the next video. Oh yeah, plus as well, there was the single, that's the fan, and that's just screws on the end of the shaft there. So keep your bits all in place. Look forward to your likes and comments. Let me know.